Hello, guys. I just want to share that I just finished a 3-day fat burn and digestive reset from Pillow Bread PH. I did that because I just came back from a week long vacation and I think I needed that um, reset to lessen the bloatness and to shred some of the vacation calories. So the first question is, was it hard? Well, yes. Because for 3 days, hindi ka kakain ng solid food. Ang iti-take mo lang, puro liquid. Like juices, soups, ganyan. And ang pinakamahirap yung unang araw kasi syempre magke-crave ka. But going on second day, third day, mas madali siya kasi naset mo na yung utak mo na I'm just going to do this for just 3 days and it's done. And the second question is, was it worth it? Well, I would definitely say yes. Kasi ngayon I feel refreshed. I feel more lighter. I can think clearer. And most especially, I lost 2.7 kilograms after doing it. So obviously, sobrang worth it talaga siya. And the third question is, gagawin ko ba siya ulit? And the answer is yes. Kasi hindi naman siya matagal eh. 3 days lang siya and you're just going to do it like once or twice a month and that's it. So you will feel refreshed again and para rin matulungan ka na mag-shred pa ng mga gusto mong i-shred sa katawan mo at yung mga toxins na gusto mong i-flush out and the bloatness. So yeah, I would definitely do it again.